On a besoin de stabilité et de retrouver ses racines.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the 3CE Heart Lip Pots. This isn't a new formulation from 3CE, but it's new to me because I want to dive back into 3CE products. A couple years back, I actually reviewed a couple of their lip products and I really enjoyed them, but I sort of stopped using them because I was unsure if they were cruelty-free or not. So here we are in 2020. I reached out to their customer service and asked if they were. They replied back to me saying that they are cruelty-free, and I just want to follow up and ask if they sell in mainland China. They got back to me with a link to their store locations, and they have no stores in mainland China, but they do have a store in Hong Kong. But Hong Kong laws are different from mainland China laws. So the conclusion is they are cruelty-free, which is great, because if there's one brand that is so aesthetically pleasing, it is 3CE. You guys gotta check out their Instagram, check out their website. Everything is just so beautiful. It's so simple, but I just love their concepts, packaging, and I have tried a couple of their products, and their products are so amazing. They are hyped up for a reason. But if you guys never heard of 3CE, they are a Korean makeup brand, but they also have a clothing brand called stylenanda. So stylenanda is their fashion side, and then 3CE, which stands for 3 Concept Eyes, is their makeup side. So I'm just really excited to dive back into this brand. I just been following them for so many years, and I just love every single photo shoot they do. All their products are just so beautiful, so I'm excited to dive my way back into their products. I'm actually wearing one of their eyeshadow palettes, and I will be doing a review on that. It probably will be my next video, so keep an eye out for that. But today, let's just talk about the Heart Lip Pots, because these are so stinking cute, you guys. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started with the review. So this is what the Heart Lip Pots look like. Aren't they just so cute, you guys? They are like tiny little hearts. They're all monochromatic, which you guys know I love. So it's like monochromatic hearts, makeup. This is just me in a product. I'll give you guys a bit of product info before we start talking about the formulation. So these are 7,900 won on the stylenanda website, and that equals to about $6 to $7 US, so it's pretty affordable in my opinion. Although it's very tiny, 3CE I would say is like a middle range sort of brand. Their products are not super affordable, but they're not crazy expensive either. I feel like it's just in that middle range, so I feel like the pricing on this is actually reasonable for the packaging, products, everything like that. I got mine off YesStyle because YesStyle does carry 3CE. They don't carry every single product, but they do carry a majority of their products, but it is a little bit more expensive. It is $10.90 USD on YesStyle, but depending on your membership on YesStyle, you can get certain discounts, and I also have an affiliated discount code with YesStyle, so if you guys would like to use that at checkout, it's always there for you. I just earn a bit of commission if you shop through my affiliated links or if you use my code. But yeah, there are 5 shades in total. I have all 5 to review for you guys today. I'll quickly just read out the claim that they have for this little lip pot. So it says that it has an intense color payoff and deep hydration. This pot lip cultivates juicy and glossy lips. So to me, this is pretty much just like a tinted lip balm. You can just take it like that. If you guys have watched any of my lip reviews, you know that I stay away from matte liquid lipsticks. I love lip balms, I love glosses, I love creamy lipsticks. I love anything hydrating on the lips. So when I just saw this product, I was like, this is really just for me, because first off, the packaging is so cute. I already love that, but the formulation really just targets me, and overall I love this product. I think it's going to be my new like everyday lip product to just put in my bag if I ever go out. Not that we are going out. It's just so small, compact. It has a little tiny heart mirror inside as well. As for the formulation, it literally is just a tinted lip balm. The texture of it just feels like a lip balm, and it is super hydrating. It does give you a little bit of a gloss. I'm not gonna say it makes your lips look so juicy like a lip gloss would, but it gives a bit of sheen to your lips, and they also last lasts pretty long on your lips as well. Although the shine and hydration might leave if you don't reapply, there's a little bit of staining that happens on your lips, so the color still stays there, and that's what I like. I mentioned in my last video, my ColourPop Wild Nothing review, I reviewed their lip oils, and the thing that I said is that I wish they would leave a sort of like a stain on the lips, because my natural lip color is very pale, it's very purple, so it makes me look unwell. I always like to have some sort of product on my lips just so I can look, you know, a little bit alive. So having these products to be very hydrating, they have a tint and they also stain your lips a little bit, that is just literally a perfect formulation for me. I wouldn't say the stain is so intense like it's going to be impossible to take off, but throughout the day, if you're wearing it for a long period, it is a really great product. This to me is such an ideal formulation and product for my lip issues. My lips are very sensitive, they're very dry, so this is a product that I just really love. It does have sort of like a scent to it, but it's nothing so overpowering. It's not like when you open this and it's just like boom, the fragrance is in your face. It's very light and it doesn't irritate my lips at all, because sometimes with lip products, if they do have like a strong scent to it, it can irritate my lips. Like I'll get little rashes. Before this, I didn't experience anything like that. And another great thing about these little lip pots is that you can double them up as a cream blush. I would say for the darker shades, I probably wouldn't use it as a blush. I feel like it might be a little bit too intense and a little bit hard to blend out, but I did try it with the two lighter shades, so the pink and the coral, and they work perfectly fine, so you can use that as a double. You could even use it on your eyelids. I haven't tried that, but just a suggestion maybe. So it's almost multi-purpose. It's affordable, it's cute, formulation is great, it's super comfortable on the lips, doesn't dry out my lips. I love the way it feels, I love the way it looks, I love the colors. So just like overall, I'm just really hyping these up, you guys. I really enjoyed these. So the only con for me is actually regarding the packaging. The little heart-shaped mirror inside, it's super cute, but two of my lip pods, the mirror like keeps falling off, so I gotta keep like pressing it back in, and I might need to like go ahead and glue it in myself or something. So that's the only thing. I mean, it's not really taking away from the formulation, but it does fall out, and that sort of makes the product feel a little bit cheap if the mirror is falling out, you know what I mean? But other than that, nothing else was wrong. I didn't have any issues. And the little heart-shaped pan inside, not only is it cute, but I feel like it's the perfect shape for a lip balm, because you can just rub your finger this way or rub your finger this way, and it's like the perfect size for your finger to apply, you know what I mean? If you guys are similar to me and don't like anything too drying on your lips, but you want something to sort of last throughout the day, this is a really great option, and it's just so adorable. Have I not said that yet? All right, so let's go ahead and talk about shade by shade. The first shade we have is Tinted Pink, and this is described to be a tinted pink hue to boost rosy translucent lip. And I would have to agree with this description so much, because it really does just enhance your natural lip color. It just gives that pinky boost to your lip. I think it's very flattering. It's super girly. You definitely can build it up. You could just do one swipe and it's just like a light hue of pink, but you could build it up to make it a little bit more like Barbie pink. Then we have a coral, and this is described to be a milky coral. It definitely does pull more to the orange side of the peachy family, and I think in the pan it looks a little bit more intimidating than it does on the lips. I think on the lips it does blend out to be like a light corally peach. I think this would be a really nice like spring summertime lip color, and I did use this one as a blush as well, which I love. I love a good peachy blush, so this one was super pretty as well. Next up we have Maroon Beige, and this is described to be an orange brown hue. This one is like the medium shade out of the 5, so if you had like a medium skin tone, I think this one will look so beautiful on you. This one is more on the orangey side of the peachy family. I can see myself wearing this one a lot. The shade reminds me of the Just a Tint lip crown from ColourPop in the shade Rise and Shine, which you guys know is one of my favorites. Then we have Woody Rose, which is the color that I've been wearing throughout the video, and this is described to be a dry rose hue, and that is the best way to describe it. It's super rosy. It has that sort of pink berry undertone, and this is the sort of color that I wish my natural lip color would look like. Great everyday lip color to wear. I do find with Woody Rose though, it wasn't as hydrating as the previous 3 shades that I just mentioned. It is still hydrating, but I feel like the previous those three is a little bit more, I guess, creamy in texture, that it hydrates the lip a little bit more. And lastly, we have Brick Red, and this is described to be a blood red hue, and this one is going to be the sort of darkest one of them all. Just like the name says, this one has more red to it. It's a little bit more like deep and like sort of sexy sort of red. So hopefully you guys found those swatches helpful. I would say for the most part, the model photos that you see online are pretty accurate. I feel like the colors translate really well with their like model photos. But to wrap things up, I want to share with you my favorite shades. It's honestly really hard to pick a favorite shade because I can see myself wearing all 5 shades just depending on the eye look. But I think the one that I will probably wear the most is Maroon Beige and Woody Rose. These are the sort of lip colors that I like to wear day to day. But nonetheless, all 5 shades are so beautiful. Like, all 5 is gonna go into my top drawer. Let's just say that. But yeah, guys, that is going to complete today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just seeing a different brand on my channel. I am trying my best to branch out to other brands and not just stick to ColourPop. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys did, you can show that by just giving this video a thumbs up. It also helps me out as well. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Have you guys tried these lip pods out? Because they are not new, they've been out for a while. If you guys have tried them, what do you guys think? Are there any other 3CE products that you guys would like me to try and review? Like I said in the beginning, I am currently reviewing one of their palettes. I purchased another one, and I also got their plumping lip balm. So if there's anything else that you guys would like me to try, let me know. Let me know what your favorite products are from 3CE, because I really want to get back into this brand. So let me know down below in the comments. I love chatting with you guys after every upload. It's literally my favorite thing. So leave your comments down below. And that, you guys, is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!